Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Passport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.